Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate two-step verification for Wells Fargo online banking, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate two-step verification for Wells Fargo online banking, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Wells Fargo website. Log into your online banking account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, locate the Preferences tab. Click on Security. Find the option for two-step verification or two-factor authentication. Select Edit to enable the feature. You will be prompted to confirm your identity. Choose your preferred method of receiving verification codes. This can be done via text message or an authentication app. If you select text message, enter your mobile number. If you choose an authentication app, follow the instructions to connect the app. After entering your information, click Continue. Wells Fargo will send a verification code to your selected method. Retrieve the code from your phone or app. Enter the verification code in the provided field. Click Verify to confirm the code. Once confirmed, your two-step verification will be activated. You may receive additional instructions regarding future logins. Always ensure your contact information is up to date in your account settings. This will help ensure you receive verification codes without issue. Your account is now more secure with two-step verification enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.